Hello, I'm DABCHICK. Yes, everyone has been asking before me. Well, I'll show you who I am in a bit right now. From now on, before I even do anything, I just want to let you know the quick shout out to Eli was bored. So now, let me show you what I am. The internet's not working. Well, I gotta say, internet is so bad nowadays. Like, very bad. Why can't we just use Nextlink or something? I don't know. Tesla stuff? Tesla coils? I don't know. Yeah, computer sucks. Just imagine this, alright? That chicken over there is you, right? I am the internet, and you are the chicken, right? This is what happens when internet gets too slow. Right. You know what happens. You get the picture. Oh, the internet is back now. Anyway, I want to tell you to please subscribe because it helps a lot in the channel and supports. Anyway, just click that down button. Just click it all as you want. I gotta go going. I got some errands to do. Yeah. I'll come right back in a bit. What the? What happened? I don't know what happened there. I just jumped and then. What happened? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hello guys, I've made DABCHICK. It was, somebody requested it. Yeah, somebody requested it. Sorry, I got a power low button, so it kind of lagged out there. Anyways, yeah, it was requested by this dude. You can see. And I replied to him. And I already made him even before he even said that. But I was gonna make a video on him anyway. So I want to show you how he works. So this piece right here, is like a metal bars and duct tape in the middle of it. There's a gap between here, and like the metal stick, like literally, like it ends. Hold on, I mean, because this is a tripod, so you can see it better. So right here, there's a gap between here. Actually, the metal bar ends right here, and the other one ends over here. So there's a huge gap here, so it can bend. Well, it can bend other sorts of places. And the only way for me to turn his head is by, so if I pick him up, like if I pick up his body, he'll look at this way. But if I press this over here, and if I pick him up at the same time, he'll look in the other way. See, and up here, I made like some little hinges connected to each other, so I can make the wings flap, sort of. It's kind of, you know, it's not really what I thought of. Tails over here, little feet. It's just a bunch of tubes connected to each other. With the wing mechanism, I just put like a piece of cardboard a piece of cardboard that stretches across to the other one with another one here, so I can press it and it flaps both. And there's a tube here, just like the raptor puppet I showed you, so your fingers can hold, and little feet. And that's pretty much it. How to make DABCHICK. So I'll probably be making at least a few episodes of him. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot because I put effort to this creation. So please subscribe. It means a lot. Anyways.